Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 22nd September 2025. US companies are poised to find it easier to sell products and services in India as the two nations renegotiate a trade agreement emphasizing the facilitation of digital trade. Both countries have agreed to avoid demanding proprietary information like source code or specific technology access as preconditions for business operations in India. The International Financial Services Centers Authority, or IFSCA, has issued a clarification regarding the applicability of its Listing Regulations 2024. The clarification specifically addresses the treatment of convertible debt securities such as Foreign Currency Convertible Bonds or FCCBs and similar instruments in relation to listing procedures. According to the circular, the procedure, manner, and conditions applicable for the listing of debt securities under the IFSCA Listing Regulations 2024 will apply mutatis mutandis to convertible debt securities until their conversion. This ensures consistency in the regulatory treatment of both traditional debt instruments and convertible securities. The Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs has issued a series of important notifications aimed at clarifying and amending various GST provisions. These notifications cover exemptions for insurance services, concessional rates for specified goods, liability on e-commerce operators, and revisions to compensation cess rates. Collectively, they bring significant compliance updates for businesses and taxpayers. The television companies are set to pass on the 10% benefit of the GST tax slab reduction from 28% to 18% to Indian consumers. TV makers are expected to reduce the price within the range of Rs 2,500 to Rs 85,000 depending on the various TV segments. In addition, they hope for a surge in sales during festive seasons, expecting that consumers will go for a better version of the TV set with their money saved after the price reduction. GST 2.0 boosts festive e-commerce as Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and Instamart sync sales with new tax cuts. Platforms update systems, stock inventory and expand logistics to ensure seamless delivery, driving a surge in consumer demand for electronics, fashion, FMCG and personal care. TCC Concept, a BSE-listed real estate service provider, said it had executed a term sheet to acquire up to 100% shares of omni-channel furniture retailer Pepperfry. The company did not disclose any financial terms of the deal, but it was likely below Pepperfry's last known valuation since it was struggling to scale and looking for potential buyers. Pepperfry was last valued at $367 million or more than Rs 3,200 crore following a Rs 43 crore fundraise in June this year.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.